A reminder, there is no one place to start. The investment world is vast. It covers everything from investing in yourself, your knowledge, expertise, health, to investing in assets like stocks, real estate, bonds. There are many opportunities, and because there are many opportunities, you don't have to fear that you will miss out. There's always another one waiting for you if you are patient and do the work to understand the opportunity. Also, it's often better to get rich slowly than to get rich quickly. The steps below are not necessarily chronological. A few can be done concurrently. Savings. Do you have savings separate from the cash you plan to invest? If not, then you should build up your savings. Having savings can be the difference between losing 50% of your investment portfolio and making 10 times your money. Emergency fund. Do you have an emergency fund? An emergency fund is simply 6 months of your $2,000 on average every month between housing, food, entertainment, etc. Your emergency fund would be $6K, $12K. Find out the difference between an emergency fund and saving. Your savings and emergency fund while investing in one calendar month could be difficult if you don't earn large sums every month. Understand your options. The investment options available to you differ by the country you live in, the amount of cash you have available to invest, your income, and your knowledge. Do some research to understand your options. The common options are government and corporate bonds, mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, precious metals like gold, silver, real estate, stocks, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Where you should start. Depending on your age, financial circumstances, and knowledge of investing, you can allocate your money to what you think makes the most sense for you. Investing when you're young is one of the best ways to see solid returns on your money. That's thanks to compound earnings, which means your investment returns start earning their own return. Compounding allows your account balance to snowball over time. At the same time, people often wonder if it's possible to get started with a little money. In short, yes. Investing with smaller dollar amounts is possible now more than ever thanks to low or no investment minimums, zero commissions, and fractional shares. There are plenty of investments available for relatively small amounts, such as index funds, exchange-traded funds, and mutual funds. If you're stressed about whether your contribution is enough, focus instead on what amount feels manageable given your financial situation and goals. It doesn't matter if it's $5,000 a month or $50 a month. Have a regular contribution to your investments, says Brent Weiss, a certified financial planner in St. Petersburg, Florida, and the co-founder of financial planning firm Facet. How that works, in practice, let's say you invest $200 every month you will return. At the end of the 10-year period, you'll have $33,300. Of that amount, $24,200 is money you've contributed, those $200 monthly contributions, and $9,100 is interest you've earned on your investment. Your investment strategy depends on your saving goals, how much money you need to reach them, and your time horizon. If your savings goal is more than 20 years away, like retirement, almost all of your money can be in stocks. But picking specific stocks can be complicated and time-consuming, so for most people, the best way to invest in stocks is through low-cost stock mutual funds, index funds, or ETFs. If you're saving for a short-term goal and you need the money within 5 years, the risk associated with stocks means you're better off keeping your money safe in an online savings account, cash management account, or low-risk investment portfolio. We outline the best options for short-term savings here. Bitcoin started 2024 by scaling new heights, surpassing $45,000 for the first time since April 2022, amid growing expectations that the SEC could soon approve a spot Bitcoin ETF, as discussed in this article. Although it is still well below its 2021 peak of $69,000, Bitcoin had a great 2023. Could 2024 be another great year? The decision of to buy or not to buy depends on what you think about Bitcoin. If you don't understand how Bitcoin works, you're not alone. You should spend some time understanding it before you venture in. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel for new videos.